So number 3, at that time we were still using the last example. So same ra Japan. So we have loss on realization na logita sa atong non-cash assets to capital deficiency tungod anong logi nakulangan pa jud ta as ang atong capital, but we are personally solvent. So when we say personally solvent, mabayaran nato atong utang gamit atong personal nga money or personal nga mga property. So that's it. To continue, okay, again we have our non-cash assets were sold at 1,700,000 and our P&L is still at 4:4:2. So first step again is to have our assets, our non-cash assets realized. So let's draw a line. First is 117. I-add nyo mo sa cash again. Then you zero out your non-cash assets because I told you so. Joke. Because wala na kayo ng cash assets, you sold them at 1,700,000 pesos or dollars, whatever floats your boat. Then you should compute for your profit or loss. In this case, you sold it at 1,700,000. So you have to deduct 3,400,000. So you have a deficiency or a loss of 1,700,000. So that loss will be divided among B, T, and S capital. So we have to do that using our profit and loss ratio. 4 divided by 10. 10 siya guys ha, because 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 2 is 10. So basically your 10 is your 100%. So your 4 divided by 10 times your 1,700,000 equals to 620, I think. Wait. 4 divided by 10 times 680. Yeah, 680,000. So you're sharing a loss. That's why it's in your parentheses, or it is tapos same ra Japan here. If you compute it, you can 680,000 gawas. Then lastly, divided by 10 times 17, that is 340,000. So you'll put it here, 340,000 in parentheses. Okay, so what you will do, 17 plus 12, so you have 1,900,000. You have 0 for NC. Bring down liabilities. Bring down T loan. Bring down S loan. Deduct. So 950 minus 680 to 70T. Then 600 minus 680. Hala, deficiency. So this is where your deficiency comes into play. So 800 minus 340 again is 460,000. Again, I use this to have a shortcut, but if you prefer having 460,000, like the 3 zeros, that's totally fine as long as dili lang mo maniba. Anyway, second would be payment to liabilities. Again, deduct it, zero out, but remember your parentheses to indicate na mo siyang deduct unless kailangan ka masayo. So it's number tang diri ato ang nabilin na cash is 780,000, zero ni siya, zero. Bring down 50,000, bring down 80,000, bring down 270,000, bring down negative 80, and bring down 460,000. Now, a while ago, I said na 50,000, pwede na siya i-offset sa T capital. However, in this case, biskan i-offset nimo si T loan kay T capital, kulang Japon si T capital. So what you will do is imo na siya ibalhin diri, so positive 50T. Na kay imo magibalhin diri, so ma-zero na ni siya. So i-minus nimo siya 50T. So remember, gibalhin nimo diri, so ma-minusan siya og 50, maadan siya 50. This one kay wala naman kay 50T diri, so mahimo siya 0. So 700 180T, 50T, I mean 0, I apologize, it's 0. 80T, 270T, but you still have negative 30T here, 460T. So, again, unsa may buhaton para ma-zero out nandiyan siya. So let's say, assuming this is where the personally solvent is very useful. So personally solvent meaning mabayaran ra ni Dodong T. So it's minus here, plus 30 kaya bayaran man siya. So minus 30 here. I mean, not necessarily. So yeah, na siya 30 here. Okay, para ma-zero out niya siya, so you add the opposite sign of it. So 810T, 80T, 270T, you have 0 na, and 460T. So to zero it out again, payment to partners, minus, so mahimo siya minus 810T, 80T, 270T, and 460T. Now let's solve here. So don't forget na naano siya mga dash to indicate nga wala siya. So let's see, recheck ta. 80 plus 270 plus 460. So it's equivalent to 810. So sakto. Hi guys, so wala jud kay number 4 mangayo pa ko og notes, but sa personally insolvent, again, if you remember na insolvent, dili siya makabayad, dili siya kasalaog utang. So ang utang ni, for example, T Capital na yung utang sa T Capital and he is insolvent, ang kanang nga utang is i-divide siya according to profit loss ratio ni sa iyahang remaining partners. So mao na siya, if personally insolvent na siya. Mangayo ko kuan, maybe maunhan ko ninyo, that's good, ikapan niyo mo, char lang. So I'll have another example, kay puro naman ta loss. So what if dili talogi? So let's say for example, cash, non-cash, layab, arenas, cap, dulay, cap, and Laura de cap. All. Anyway, so 50,000, 2,350,000, 400,000, 900,000, 500,000, 600,000. Now, ang non-cash assets natin info nga was sold at 2,650,000 with a profit and loss ratio of unknown. Joke guys. So sa example ni Miss, naana ta nga, ay wala lagi ni profit and loss ratio. It's because naanad man ta nga, it's exactly a ratio, but it can be stated naman as they equally shared the profit and losses. So if it's equally shared, if they are 3, then divide it by 3. If they're 4, divide it by 4. So that's very easy na guys. Habala na mo anak. I believe in you. Anyway, so let's add again. 2,650,000. Then you zero out your non-cash assets by deducting it from itself. Again, put your parentheses. So, balik kaya siya og 2,650,000. So, i-minus ni mo 2,350. So, atong past examples, negative dyan siya. In this case, 300,000 man ato ang surplus. So, mo-add ta diri. Ato na siyang i-divide diri. Alright. So, divided by 3 man, 300 divided by 3, it's 100,000. So, 100,000, 100,000, 100,000. If it was stated, if na-state ang profit and loss ratio at 1:2:3, then use that. Mo na siya niyong gamitan para bahin-bahin. So, 900,000, that's 100,000, 100,000, 100,000. The next question is, ato ba niya siyang butangan o parentheses? kay i-minus na to or ato ani siyang i-add? Why or why not? So, here's the thing. Unsa man yung answer? Okay. So, since naatay, gibaligyan na to 2,650, worth 2,350 ra ito. So, kita naatay ginansya. Ang ginansya, i-minus or i-plus? i-plus. So, dili na nimo siya butangan o parenthesis, kay i-add man nimo siya. Okay. So, muna to nakalahi sa ato. Now, atong buhaton is i-add na to siya. Again, add 50,000 o 2,650. Mamata-mata na ninyo guys. Biskan piyo nga na ninyo 27. Last. Tapos, kanin siya that thingy hyphen. Bring it down. Liabilities. Add 1 million. Add 600,000. Add 700,000. Alright. So, manata, realization of assets check. Number 2 is payment of liabilities. 400,000. Settle it, 400,000. Alright. So, minus ka. Add. Yep, minus, So, 2,300,000. Tapos 0, 0. Bring down 1 million. Bring down 600,000. Bring down 700,000. So, in this case, wala man tayo loans. Wala pa tayo utang. So, diretso na ta payment to partners. So, it's, don't forget your parentheses. 2,300,000. 1M. 600,000. 700,000. Parentheses if daghan, parentheses if usara ka pair. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So again, if imo siyang i-total 1 million plus 600,000 plus 700,000, so it's 2,300,000. So you're basically correct. Cha-ching! Very good, guys.